Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure buffer for social media posting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure buffer for social media posting, start by going to the Buffer website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or social media account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Buffer dashboard. Next, click on the Connect Your Social Accounts button. Choose the social media platforms you wish to link with Buffer. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access each account. After connecting your accounts, head to the Publishing tab on your dashboard. Here, you'll see options for creating posts for your linked accounts. Select the account you want to post to first. In the post creation area, you can write your message. Add any images or videos by clicking on the media upload icons. Once you're satisfied with your content, decide if you want to post immediately. If scheduling is your preference, select Schedule Post. You can also select Add to Queue to add the post to your existing posting schedule. To customize your posting schedule, navigate back to the Settings tab. Select Posting Schedule to adjust the days and times you want your content published. Make sure to save any changes you make to your posting schedule. Once everything is set up, review your posts in the queuing area. Here you can edit or rearrange the posts if needed. Finally, monitor your post performance using the Analytics tab. This gives you insights on engagement and reach across your social media platforms. Now you're ready to effectively configure Buffer for social media posting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.